guys, it's me, Maureen again. Hello guys. Ngayon po, kakanta po ako. Hello guys, for today's videos is kakanta po ako ng I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. 'Cause all my life you have been so good. Been every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me to the fire, and the dark is night. You are close like no other, and I know you as a father. I know you as a friend, and I have lived the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. And my life laid down, I surrender now. I give you everything. Your goodness is running after me. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful. 'Cause all my life you have been so good. Been every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Bye-bye! It's me, Maureen. Kakanta po ako ng Kay Buti-Buti Mo. Kay buti-buti mo, Panginoon, sa lahat ng oras at bawat araw. Ika'y laging tapat kung magmahal. Sa iyong kaaway ay magpawalang hanggan. Pinupuri, sinasamba kita, dakilang Diyos at Panginoon. Tunay nga ika'y walang katulad, tunay nga ika'y di nagbabago. Mabuti ang Diyos na sa ating ay nagmamahal. Mabuti ang Diyos na para sa ating ay nagmamahal. Bye-bye!